How to use the Ease of Money feature in YNAB. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the plan option from the bottom bar. Here you will see your budget categories, goals and account balances. The Ease of Money feature in YNAB shows you how long your money has been in your budget before being spent. This helps you understand your cash flow and gives you a clear picture of how much financial buffer you have. To check your Ease of Money, look at the number displayed at the top of your budget or in Reflect section. This number represents the average number of days between when you receive money and when it is spent. To improve your Ease of Money, focus on consistently budgeting all incoming funds, paying off expenses with money you have had for longer periods, and avoiding overspending in categories. The higher your Ease of Money, the more financial stability and flexibility you have. Now you know how to use the Ease of Money feature in YNAB. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.